Brazil has a rich and diverse culture. One of the major influences on Brazilian culture is the culture of people brought as slaves from Africa. I'm in Salvador de Bahia, in the state of Bahia, and this is a major center of Afro-Brazilian culture. One of the manifestations of Afro-Brazilian culture is capoeira. Capoeira is a martial art that was developed here in Brazil and has been recognized by UNESCO as intangible world heritage. Capoeira includes physical activity, music and songs, and culture and history. It originated as a result of cross-Atlantic slave trade. Portuguese colonial government brought many slaves from Africa to Brazil to work on plantations. Slaves were prohibited from practicing any physical activity so that they could not train to rebel against slave owners. The slaves disguised their training as dancers at the same time, mixing different African cultures. Some of these slaves were managing to escape and form communities called quilombos. And they preserved their cultures, and actually not only preserved them, but a mixture of cultures from Africa have resulted in a new culture in Brazil that is now different from the cultures of the ancestors in Africa. Many capoeira songs are about slave trade and escaping plantations. Capoeira has been illegal for much of its history up to early 20th century, when it was modernized by Mestre Bimba and become recognized as a martial art. Capoeira maestres are now spread around the world, and they develop new schools and establish new schools in different countries, and also many capoeiristas come to Brazil on a pilgrimage to learn about the motherland of the martial arts that they practice. Capoeira stimulates interest in Brazil. It serves as a great tourism marketing tool. Even if you practice capoeira in Hong Kong, you still need to learn some Portuguese words and sing songs in Portuguese. Capoeira is a great way to keep fit, meet people, learn about culture and music.
É capoeira Brasil, é capoeira Brasil, é capoeira Brasil, é capoeira Brasil. Cabra valente, bamba na capoeira, é bamba na capoeira, é bamba na capoeira. Vai! Cabra valente, é bamba na capoeira, é bamba na capoeira, é bamba na capoeira. Nego caiu na alegria do tombo, é na alegria do tombo, é na alegria do tombo. Vai! Nego caiu na alegria do tombo, é na alegria do tombo. Olha o aua bananeira, banda de capoeira, a cabeçada ligeira, banda de capoeira, a regional mandingueira, banda de capoeira. Cabra valente, bamba na capoeira, é bamba na capoeira, é bamba na capoeira. Cabra valente, é bamba na capoeira, é bamba na capoeira, é bamba na capoeira.